Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nail Art. Today I want to do an experiment. For the experiment I order a training hand from AlieExpress. And today's design I will do on this hand. I say right away that I had a lot of trouble with this hand since it was very difficult to attach the tips. So for the design I will use white, orange gel polishes. I will also use the stamping. And I show you how you can print foil directly for stamping, achieving a golden effect. So happy weaving everyone! I hope you like the design.
Like porcelain in the light, no complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, your legs so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue cause it's never worth a fight. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 what a lovely mess you made. Nah, nah, nothing's gonna make me stay. Whoa, what a lovely mess you made. Nah, nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here it was simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain. And I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa. I saw you don't know that I know what's going on, but I saw lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me say what a lovely mess you made.
Art was with you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, share in the comment. Did you like the daisy? Good luck to all. Bye bye.